G'day viewers, I'll round up this Yingfa Flyback. There's a little bit of a story with these Flybacks. There's a bit of plastic behind there. I've had to shave off in order to get the priming writing to fit. I'll just show you with this other Yingfa Flyback I've got to show you what I mean. Here's an identical Flyback. As you can see, I put this bloody plastic here so you can't wind a priming on it. So what I've done, I've carefully, to get that shaved off properly, I carefully removed the core and just snipped it and ground it off. And yeah, I got some markage happening there, so I've had to put some blue tack on those pins. So the blue tack seems to work okay. I also got another something I've always been wanting for ages, a little clamp meter. It's quite a good little unit, proper Coil from Japan, but the unit's made in China. I mean, they can't make anything in Japan because of the high cost. Labour costs are so bloody high now. But let's give it a test. It's quite a small little one. I was going to get a J-car one, but I think this was actually better than the one that J-car sells. It was about the same price too, this one here, so let's connect this up and have some fun. See if it still arcs. I hear Corona. Yep. Blue tack did work, but must have come unstuck a little bit. Bugger. Blue tack hasn't worked very good. Okay, I won't arc. I just see what measure the unloaded and see what this does. That's obviously saying about an amp or two, but let's see what this measures. I want to go DC, don't I? Just finding out how to bloody use this thing. Yeah. Let's try something else. I reckon if I use my bloody rear end mic, that'd be a better way to test it. Yeah. Huh. Discharge that pin there. Not the hard way there. Let's take this blue tack off, see where it arced. And let's do a proper test of AC amps instead of DC amps. This would be a better way to do it. I think this is actually only an AC amp meter, so pretty good for what I need it for. Oh, let's put this on and stuck it, straighten it out. See what reading we get. $704 amps. There you go. At first, about 700 amps. It peaked at anyway. Yeah, about 400 amps. There we are. Pretty good. It's actually quite a small, compact little unit, a lot smaller than what I thought. But it's quite handy. As I said, it's only AC amps, but yeah, I'm not too worried about DC. AC is probably the more important one anyway, so I'm not going to really measure much high amount of DC amps unless I'm starting the car. Yeah, it's a category 3 meter. Plugs in, little test leads plugging at the bottom here. Proper good quality stuff. 600 volt Cat IV. So much more better quality than my little Dick Smith multimeter. So this is good for the more important stuff. Okay, viewers, well, I'll clean up most of that carbon gunk off my Flyback, aka Regression coil, which is what this might call them. Definitely regret it now, that's for sure. I got most of the heavy conductive part off, so I'm going to whack some hot glue on that and we can start having some fun with this Flyback. It's actually quite a good little performer. Probes of this set, we've got a 600 volt Cat IV. Pull these off. 1 kV Cat 2. Obviously your safety first marker there. 1 kV Cat 3. Makes the thing a whole lot safer. Alright, I've hot glued this Yingfa Flyback. Let's see if it hopefully it's not going to arc it anymore. Alright, let's put that there. Get some arcs. I can actually put the clamp meter around here on the output of the Flyback, around the anode wire, and show how much current's on the output for this arc here. No. Still arced out there. Okay, I might need more hot glue. So well, let's see if we get any results now. Hopefully there's no arcing. If not, this Flyback is just so mental it's not funny. Out of the way there. Out of the way there. Hang on. Forgot the arcing stick there. Let's connect the arcing one. So I'm bugger the Flyback up. Back on there. There we are. I'm not going to risk arcing it anymore than it already is. Whoops. Oh, there's no arcs. Good, no arc outs, but it's arcing to this pin. Beautiful. I think this Flyback's fixed. Hot glue's worked. I didn't clean all the carbon off either, it's only minor. Alright. Oh, breakdown on my lead there. Let's put the clamp meter around the anode wire. See what the current is there. See what current I get. Get those away. Let's see. Start arcing again. Ooh, 4.5 amps. 1.2 amps. Disconnect. Back on there. Oh, this Flyback's is going all over the bloody place. .1 amps, dead short. 0.03 amps, 1.04 amps. But before it peaked at about 5 amps. Quite impressive. Well, it's arcing a little bit, but I think the hot glue's melting. It's arcing in the hot glue, not actual to the bottom of the body of the Flyback. As it arcs through the hot glue's melting and quenching the arc, so as long as the hot glue that gets destroyed, not the Flyback, that's not a worry. Anyway, it's quite a good little meter. Very handy. Good range on it too. Let's have some more fun with the Flyback. .5 amps arcing, not a problem there. That's funny. Yeah, it's arcing in the hot glue. Oh, yeah, the hot glue is copping all the arcing and carbonising. It's probably going to short those two pins out. Yeah, well, as long as the hot glue it's getting damaged. Sheet of paper there getting the corona. Shut off. Let's check the voltage in my batteries here. Discharge all those. A little bit warm. Alright, let's check the voltage in my batteries here. These leads remind me of the Coil Mega meters. This mob do actually make quite nice mega ohm meters. Very expensive though. Got the safety leads there. They plug in there. Alright, let's do a voltage check of these batteries. So betting they're a little bit flat. Not quite as a good performer with this now, so let's see what we get. Leads untangled here. Oh, 34 volts instead of 36. Yeah, one of the batteries is getting a bit flat. I'd say it's this one because it's the weakest. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.